This video is going to show you how to install the brake onto your new pair of skates. You are able to attach the brake to either your left or right skate. What you have to get started is your brake, a long axle, a male screw, and two tools. First, use one of the tools to unscrew the back wheel, like so. Be sure to set aside both the axle and the male screw. Remove the back wheel. You'll then take your brake and insert it into the slot above the rear wheel. Align the wheel, brake, and chassis together. Go ahead and grab the long axle, and then insert through the wheel, brake, and chassis. Grab the male screw and insert it into the other side. After that, use your tool to securely fasten the axle. You're now ready to go out and skate.